Hello friends, today we discuss iframe in HTML. An HTML iframe is used to display a web page within a web page. Or you can say it is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. So how to do so, I'll show you. So in this, what we do is we give the iframe tag inside the body tag, and wherever that document is located, which you want to embed in the current HTML document, you give the location. So in this particular case, this HTML document is in the same location as my current HTML document. So I just give the file name. If it was at some other location, I would need to give the entire address followed by the file name for the source attribute. Then, depending on what height and width you want for that iframe, you can specify it as a part of the styling property. So we have already learned about this styling property with respect to height and width in the previous videos. So iframe tag is used inside the body tag in order to make a frame. So this is how it looks. So depending on the height and width, if you change the height and width, things will change for you. Suppose I make this 300 pixel. See, it becomes short in height. So this is how you can change. Now, another thing is how to bring this iframe in the center. Let me show it to you. So if you want to insert the iframe in the center, what to do? So we use the same properties which we used for images. So again, I use the iframe tag and give the location in the src attribute. For bringing it in the center, I give the properties display block, margin auto. Margin auto will automatically adjust your iframe in the center. So it will give equal spacing in the left and the right hand side, and it will bring the iframe in the center. And as earlier, you can mention the height and width of the iframe as per your needs. So this is going to bring the iframe in the center of the page. Another thing is how to bring the iframe on the left hand side or on the right hand side. So in order to align your iframe in the left hand side or the right hand side, we use the property float. So if I give float left, it will put my iframe towards the left hand side. Similarly, if I want the iframe in the right hand side, I can give float right, and it will bring the iframe to the right hand side of the page. Again, the tag is the same, the iframe tag followed by src, in which we give the location of the page to be embedded. Then height and width will accordingly give the height and width to the iframe, and float will make the iframe float towards the left. And if you want to clear the effect of float, then you need to give the command clear. So when you give clear left, it means that we are removing the effect of float. Means if I show it to you, see in this, I have floated the iframe at the left hand side, and so the rest of the text is aligned to the right hand side. Now I want the effect of float to be clear. So for that, I need to use the clear property. This will remove the effect of clear, and then I get the rest of the text at the bottom of the iframe instead of at the right hand side. So when I give a float property, that particular iframe is floated to the left hand side, whereas the rest of the text is aligned at the right hand side of the page. If I want to clear the effect of a float, I need to give the property clear. Similarly, in this case, I have floated the iframe to the right, so I give the property as float right. To know more about this float and clear, I have made a specific video on float and clear. Please refer to that for further explanation. So this was iframe for you. Hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.